How to construct a portfolio of 10 crores? Well, this is a very important question. If you are someone who's got more than 10 crores of portfolio. Well, if I would have been in your place, what I would have done, let me decode that here. Well, I would look at allocating 70% of the allocation in AIFs. Through AIFs, I would be investing, of course, in different asset classes. But one of the instrument, the investment vehicle that I would choose out of 10 crores, 7 crores is through alternative investment funds. And remaining 3 crores, I would allocate about 2 crores in PMS, and I would allocate maybe around 1 crore in through mutual funds. Now, how am I going to do that? So, out of 10 crores, the first thing first is through alternative investment funds. Out of these 7 crores, I would deploy maybe 3 crores in private credit funds. Now, India is a country which is a credit hungry country. India needs a lot of credit growth. So, we have an option through private credit where my objective is to protect the wealth first. And in order to protect the wealth, I would deploy about 3 crores in private credit funds, which will give me about say 16, 17 or 18% kind of gross yield. I think this is more than enough for me to think that 17, 18% is a very good number as if it is fixed income products. So fixed income products doesn't give you any kind of overnight surprises, and it will give you long term returns at about 16%. So 3 crores there. Then 1 crore I would be doing it through real estate investment. So in real estate I have two options. One, direct equity, the equity structure. Second, in fixed income. I would prefer to go ahead with equity option. So real estate equity, which means that these fund managers would in turn be investing in lands. India is a land of opportunity, as somebody rightly said, and there are many opportunities, and there are some good quality fund managers out there who are collecting the funds at a pool level and investing in lands different across the globe, across India. As in, there are some fund managers who are buying lands in Ayodhya. Ayodhya has become a global destination for them to invest, and they see a lot of appreciations coming in these kind of city. Other one is Dwarka, Bet Dwarka. That is another pocket which has been identified where what we are witnessing is good amount of appreciation in the land. And there I would say that I would deploy 1 crore. Now, so this is about 4 crores, and remaining 4 crores, out of which 2 crores I would look at private equity funds. Now, what is private equity? Is basically unlisted companies where we'll come in the early stage of their company, right through the entire growth journey of those companies, and invest for long term, say 5-6 years. And then so this is about 5 crores. I would deploy 1 crore in private equity, 5 crore, and remaining 2 crores I would be looking at cat 3 AIFs, which has some amount of unlisted and listed, both the structure available. And this is how I would do 7 crores of AIF, and remaining 2 crores I would do it only in the listed space with help of some of the high quality portfolio managers which has track record of delivering more than 40-42% kind of CAGR returns, which is almost double than any of the mutual funds. And remaining 1 crore, I would first put that money in liquid funds, and out of liquid funds, I will redeploy that funds in maybe multi-asset funds, which has some amount of exposure in gold as an asset class, some amount of exposure in equity and debt, and which is mixed together. So maybe about 1 crore I would be doing it there. So this is how I'm going to deploy. I would not go ahead with any of the instruments which is not regulated by the regulator in India. So therefore, I would like to construct my portfolio like this. I hope you like the video. In case you need to know more about it, you can reach out to our team. Hello, my name is Vikas Agrawal and I am the founder of ALTPORT. We are emerging as one of the largest platform for investing in alternates. Thank you.